Hey there everyone. Today we're going to go ahead and try something different. I hope you'll join. Hey there everyone. Today we're actually going to be doing something a little different. Today's video won't be an educational video, it won't be a follow along. Really, you won't, hopefully, even though this is odd, won't learn too much from today's video. Instead, today I'll be introducing you guys to a new video series that Loop Coding Center is going to be doing. The focus of this series is to take all of the skills we learn throughout the other series in terms of programming logic, in terms of understanding computer systems, and in context of everything we learn, in order to actually have you build something out that's maybe a little more material, something that you can have in your hands, something that you could put to use in real life. Not that you can't use a website. However, the real focus of this series will be is putting our creative powers to use with the skills we learn. Because what's the point of learning all of these things if we're not going to put them to use? As well as putting our skills to use, this really is an important thing to do, not only for the matter of creativity, but also expression. Alongside that, some of you guys might like certain parts of programming, and you might like certain parts of building a project, but with that, it's also really important to specialize. It's also really important to apply these things that you learn to the things that you like in your real life. So with that, let me go ahead and explain what the Maker's Guide will be. Like I had stated previously, the series will primarily be focused on applying the skills that you learn to things that you like, things that matter to you. So that could be things like AR filters, VR filters, ways to integrate 3D models into different programs and bring them to life like you can through AR. They might be things related to 3D printing, in which case we'll learn how to use Blender at a basic level, as well as learning how to take those 3D models and take them to a 3D printer or utilize them in different scenarios. Alongside that, we can also do things like focus on Arduinos, programming mini computers, or programming a spare computer that you have at home to maybe become a smart device, to maybe become a little media device for your TV. Really, the goal of this entire series will be to take ideas that we learn from programming and to apply them in real life into things that really matter to you. So if you're artsy, if you're crafty, if you have some skill you're passionate about, this series will be primarily aimed at helping you and guiding you along with those skills, as well as helping you grow them in different directions. Sometimes you'll find that with these fields, they'll end up clashing together and mixing together pretty well. So with that, I'm really excited to start off next week, where we'll focus on the Snapchat Studio lenses, as well as checking out what other platforms have to offer in terms of VR. AR. So in terms of that, hopefully I'll see you guys next week, and until then, have a nice one.